repost and retrieve any of Staking Pool CNB, OKB, SXP, AIX DAO from 0.25 to 3% per day. Okay. Today I learned to make a staking pool on the Coinsbit side. The coins that I can stake include CNB, OPET, and FSK. Immediately, we stake, but first we check the total coins we have. You have checked your wallet. Then, click the Staking Pool tab, choose between the coins we want to stake. Each coin has its own reward, so you can choose your own according to your ability. For someone who doesn't have a Coinsbit account, you can click the link in the video description. I have done stakes before. I made another stake on the remaining coins. After registering on Coinsbit, you must verify to receive coins and to make withdrawals. My account has been verified.